Here you can adjust the flow. The FIR to knob from 60 to 100%. For there are two modes. CMO mode, you can set up the timer. From this you can set up the pressure, PIP value. You can even reduce it. From this you can increase the peak value. It is fine tuned, so it will take more turns to change. And you can set up the FIR to flows. In the CPAP mode, you can just give CPAP pressure. You can even operate without power in supply.